사람 마음이 애틋해져 갈 때면 난 정말 소중했어 영원히 널 간직하고 싶어 어린 두 눈을 꼭 감았지 Dance now if you want me Let's die There's nobody here Look at how we are and to think we are so perfect pair in every way I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be faded I don't wanna be your friend
logical thinker. I did some NLP therapy at the start of last year, which is neuro-linguistic programming. So
what has that looked like for you? So I very much agree with Amira on that. You don't need, yes, followers help. Yes, a community helps. An engaged following, an engaged community over the actual numbers is, for me, a huge driving factor in, working with a brand. And I know that from a brand's perspective. Even on my personal social media, I don't have 10,000 followers, okay? I've spent literally the last 10 years talking about marketing, talking about running a business. I don't have 10,000 followers, but I know that there is an engaged community of women who come back time and time again.
We are so perfect pair in every way I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be faded I don't wanna be your friend I just wanna be your bed I don't wanna fade away so I can't help but sinking into a dawn So I just killed my darling. I just want to have this everything. I know I'm very possessive and very jealous, but I couldn't help it. Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star.
Bye.